Hey all, I just want to explain some details on this dyno runs. Blue line is the first time I went to the dyno a few months ago. At that time I only had a cam, roller rockers and a bigger throttle body. I put down 191 wheel horsepower. Recently I installed an air gap manifold, a cold air intake and a cutout, and I went back for another dyno session. Pink and green lines are the newer runs. As you can see, there is a big difference between running with the cutout open or closed. And with the cutout open I put down T24. Last but not least, I'd like to spend a few words on the red line. This is the wheel horsepower figure we got by simply putting a nut as a spacer under the throttle body head. This means that during this test the head was sitting about half an inch higher than usual, and the throttle body itself was getting airflow from the engine bay and not from the air tube only. We had to let off the gas at about 4000 rpm because this mod leaned out the air filtration. As you can see, this is worth a bunch of horsepower as well. Keep in mind that we ran with the cutout closed and the improvement might be even bigger by tuning with the cutout open.